Hello. This lecture is a continuation of the last lecture in which we discussed the fundamentals of networking. And we saw what is a bit, what is a byte, what is an octet, and how we can convert an IP address into its binary format. Because computers understand binary. So, so in this lecture, I will try to convert a decimal into binary, and then we will convert a binary format into its decimal. So I have an IP address here, and we will convert this into its binary format. And we already have discussed that every bit has a power or a weight which is associated with that bit. And we have discussed this that going from right hand side to the left hand side, we have 2 to the power of something. So the first bit is 2 to the power of 0, second bit is 2 to the power of 1, third bit is 2 to the power of 2, and the same way we will move on. So let's convert 192. 192 is the first octet. So is 192 greater than 128? Yes. So we will write 1 here. We will turn this bit on. And now if I try to subtract 192 minus 128, I will get 64. So as we can see, we have 64. So the next bit is 64. I will turn this bit on also. And I got 192 now, because 128 plus 64 is 192. So the remaining bits, I will just turn them off. So this is 0, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So I've turned all the bits off, and now the binary representation of 192 is this one. Now let's convert 168. So is 168 greater than 128? Yes, correct. So I will turn this bit on, and 168 minus 128 is equals to 40. Is 40 greater than 164? No, I will turn this bit off. Is 40 greater than 32? Yes, I will turn this bit on, and now I will say 40 minus 32 is equals to 8. And as you can see, I have 8 bit here. I have a bit having power of 8. So I will turn this bit on, and the remaining I will just turn them off. Now if you add 128 plus 32 plus 8, and we will get the answer of 168. So this is the binary representation of 168. Now, what about 5? So if you look at this chart, it is very obvious that 4 and 1 is equals to 5. So I will just turn 4 on and 1 on, and I will turn all the bits off. So this is the easiest one, and this is the binary representation of 5. And 120. Okay, is 120 greater than 128? No. So let's turn this off. Is 120 greater than 64? Yes. Let's turn this on, and let's say 120 minus 64 is equals to 56. Is 56 greater than 32? Yes, I will turn this on, and now I will say 56 minus 32 is equals to 24. Is 24 greater than 16? Yes, I will turn this on, and I will say 24 minus 16 is equals to 8. And now I will turn this bit on which has the power of 8, and I will turn all the remaining bits off. And this is the binary representation of 120. Now this is the binary representation of the bit of the IP 192.168.5.120. Now let's try to convert this. Let's try to reverse this and try to convert binary into decimal. Now here I have the binary representation, and I don't know what is the IP address. So I will try to get the IP address. And now what I will do, as before, I will write the powers or the weight here on every bit. So this is 1, this is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And what I will do, I will just add the bits which are on. So 8 plus 2, this is 10, right? Now I'll do the same here. So 64, I will add 64 plus 8 plus 2, this is equals to 74. And I'll do the same here. And let's see what are on bits. So 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, which is equals to 222. And same with this one. And there are 3 bits on: 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 11. So the IP address here I have, so the IP address I got here is 10.74.222.11. So this is the IP address. This is the decimal representation of the binary that we have. So you can practice this on your own, and you can try to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. This is the very fundamental knowledge, and it should be very clear in your mind when you are starting to learn about networking. So thank you. I'll see you in next lecture.